Vamos al las carreras. ¿Viste la cantidad de cosas que vienen?
So, we just got Summit Plummet. How do you feel, guys? Woo! That's what we just rode. That's what we just rode. Oh my god. That was so awesome! I'm terrified of heights. I'm shaking like a crazy person. But I did it because it was on my bucket list because I've never been to Blizzard Beach. I almost lost contact and I got a wedgie, and I'm wearing my CSI shirt that is now soaked. It's 199 feet tall, so we could see all of Disney World from up there. It was terrifying.
Everything. It's so
but we did it! We did Summit Plummet! So yay, guys! Yay! Except for Shayna. She didn't do it. Yay, bucket list accomplishment. Talking commenced. What are we going to talk about?
How I went on most of the big rides, and that's an accomplishment for me.
Shayna did every ride but Summit Plummet.
But I hate roller coasters and I hate rides, so that's an accomplishment.
It's true. And then there's Gloria on the bench. She's just texting.
No, I'm not. This is like
oh, she's never mind. JK. So today was our day at Blizzard Beach. We did every single attraction. There's only 12 of them. Actually, we did 10 of the 12 because one is for people 48 inches and under, and the other one we tried to do, but is for people 12 and under, so we couldn't do it. So we did every attraction here. We're just gonna run around and take pictures. Oh, and just proof for all of you fools back in Greeley, I don't think that I got in public. There, scan, scan. That's awkward scan.
That's
awkward,
such an awkward scan.
Awkward body scan. I am in there. I am in a bikini. I know, I usually wear tankinis, but I did it. So, accomplishment, success. Now it's only 2 o'clock, so I don't know what we're gonna do the rest of the day. But I thought I'd make another vlog. Have fun back in Colorado where it's supposed to be snowing for 42 hours straight. I'm at a water park. Okay, bye. Seriously. Hi, Shayna.